Namaskaram. In this video, we are going to talk about the steps in pranic healing. You have already known all the techniques and how are we going to do this. This is just like a summary of all the techniques that how are we going to do the pranic healing. So the first step is when a client comes to you, just talk to the client, observe the client, interview the client. And if you are a new pranic healer, I advise you not to ask the client about their disease. I advise you to first scan the client. Just scan the client, scan all the vital organs, scan all the major chakras, scan near the spine, scan the spine completely, because there are many important chakras located at the spine. So once you have done this, then you interpret your results. Then I want you to ask your client after this the problem the client is having, because this increases your accuracy. So when you have scanned and the results you are getting, when the client says the same things, okay, I'm having problem here. Suppose you are scanning a client, you find some problem in the eye. You are finding that one eye is having 5 inches aura, other eye is having around 3 inches aura, so there is difference. So you can just ask the client, then the client can tell you about the problem in one eye, something like this. Then this will affirm your faith in pranic healing. This will affirm the faith in yourself that you are doing the right scanning. So initially, just to make your results accurate, just to get the better accuracy, I advise you to scan the client, then interview the client. So once you have done the scanning, so I advise you to go for the general sweeping. So after the general sweeping, once you have completed the general sweeping, then again rescan the client. Sometimes even by general sweeping, usually we do the general sweeping 3 times in the starting. Suppose if somebody is having a very simple disease, simple problem, so once you have done the general sweeping, you scan the person. If you feel everything is okay, so that means it is okay, because sometimes the simple ailments, some simple problems, they just only need sweeping. So it is done. So after the general sweeping, if somebody is having still some problem, then go for the localized sweeping. Then after the localized sweeping, rescan the person, interview the person. If the person is feeling okay, if you can feel that all the energy is balanced, then it is okay. So in sweeping, just see the area which was having, after the sweeping, just scan the area which was having lack of prana, the hollows, or scan the area which was having protrusions, which was protruded, which was having more energy, excess prana. Scan both the areas, if the energy is distributed properly or not. If still there is problem, then again do the localized sweeping. If still there is hollow, then you can just energize the person. So after the cleansing process, then there comes the energizing process. Then after energizing process, again you should rescan, and if there is, you have given excess energy, then I advise you to do the distributed sweeping. Then sweep the excess energy, distribute it here and there in the other areas. Okay, so again rescan. After the energizing and rescanning, then I advise you to go for the stabilizing the prana. Once you stabilize the prana, right, so stabilize the prana. Then after that, again, when you are finishing, then again do the general sweeping 3 times. So after this, again scan the person. Then don't forget to take the feedback from the client. Ask the client that how the client is feeling. Okay, and still if you feel that there's some flaws, client is not that better, again you can just do some sweepings and some again energizing. Or sometimes maybe you want to wait. Even sometimes yourself might be feeling bit tired or a bit lack of energy, so you can ask the client to wait for the next healing session, because not in just in one healing session you can treat everybody, or you can just treat all the time. So it might be requiring more than one healing session, maybe 2 healing sessions, 3 healing sessions. So maybe if the disease is severe, it might require a month also, maybe a year also, you don't know. And some simple things, simple diseases, they can be just treated in the one healing session. So you need to take the feedback of your client also. So these are the basic steps. So for a beginner, I still advise you to focus on the scanning and then asking your clients about the feedback, like what you have scanned and what the problem they are telling, if they are matching. So sometimes doing a local sweeping is okay for some problem, like suppose somebody is having headache, you just do the localized sweeping and it is okay, the pain can go even without the energizing sometimes also. But sometimes somebody is having some infectious disease, okay, some infections, like somebody is having infection in the eye or is having infection in the, having cold throat infection. So I always advise you to do the general sweeping also with the local sweeping, because in the, when in cases of the infection, any infection, usually the outer aura gets leaked. uh, Outer aura, it gets the holes. So in infections, usually there are holes in the outer aura. So with the help of general sweeping, you can seal those holes. So whenever somebody tells that person is having the infections, so cold or an infection, any infection, then just always do the general sweeping to seal the holes in the outer aura. You can even form this intention while doing the sweeping, that you are sealing all the holes in the outer aura. Thank you.